So, your lawn's looking like it's auditioning for a desert scene in Mad Max. Dead patches, yellow streaks, and that one area that's just, well, dirt. We've all been there. But here's the truth. Buffalo grass is tougher than it looks, and it can bounce back with a little love. First, diagnose the problem. Is it too dry, flooded, shaded, eaten alive by lawn grubs? Don't guess. Check the soil. Use a soil test kit to see if it's acidic, low in nutrients, or just compacted like your inbox on a Monday morning. Next, clean up. Rake out any dead leaf and thatch. Aerate. It's like decluttering your lawn's junk drawer. It can finally breathe and allows your lawn to better access the nutrition that you're providing. Next, water smart. Deep and infrequent. Water in the early morning, not those midday sprinkles that evaporate faster than your New Year's resolutions. Fertilise regularly, every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season. Use something with plenty of nitrogen to encourage that green growth. If you have bare patches, the best way to get your lawn thriving again may be to replace some sections with fresh turf from Lilydale Instant Lawn. And finally, once you're done, stay vigilant and watch for pests. Lawn grubs, armyworms and black beetles. Those guys are tiny lawn assassins. So get on the front foot with residual pesticides such as Acelepryn or Grub Guard Ultimate. These will give you up to 6 months protection from these problematic pests. If this all sounds a little overwhelming, don't worry. At Lilydale Instant Lawn, we don't judge lawns, we revive them. So before you give up and rip out your lawn, remember, every lawn deserves a second chance, even yours. So call us up for some lawn care advice, or if you want to rejuvenate your backyard with a brand new lawn, because brown grass isn't the end. It's just the halftime break.